Hey guys, got out here this afternoon enjoying this sunshine. Wanted to put a couple of packs through this little GEP RC toothpick build that I built. Man, I just really like this toothpick. I know everybody was talking about how good they are. The power to weight on them is just crazy. It's just so much fun. To me, it's funner than a 5 inch just because it takes the stress of it away. The 5 inch for me, but it's just so much fun. It's non-intimidating to other people that's around, and I just can't say enough about it. Plus, it's just a blast. But I got some made some footage, so hopefully the DVR is good. It's been kind of glitchy on this thing when I made it the other day, but I just kind of messing with the tune on it and messing with the filters. Uh, so it's getting better. It still got a little bit of prop wash, but it don't seem that bad when I was kind of focusing on running the gates. But man, I just really like it, and hopefully y'all will enjoy the video. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.